Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to merge notes in Evernote. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Evernote app and log in with your credentials. Once you're logged in and the app loads, you'll see your main dashboard with all your notes organized and ready to access. Now, direct your attention to the left panel of your screen. Here, you'll see various sections and folders where your notes are stored. Click on Notes to view all the individual notes you've created. This section displays your entire collection, making it easy to locate the specific notes you want to work with. Next, you'll need to select multiple notes that you want to combine into one. To do this, hold down the Shift key on your keyboard. While holding Shift, click on each note you want to merge. This allows you to select multiple notes at once without having to repeat the process individually. You'll notice that the notes you click become highlighted, indicating they're selected and ready for the merge. After you've selected all the notes you want to combine, look at the bottom of your screen. You'll see a toolbar appear with several options for managing your selected notes. In this toolbar, locate and click the Merge button. This is the key feature that will combine all your selected notes into a single unified note, making it much easier to organize related information. Once you click Merge, a new window will pop up on your screen. This window is where you can customize how your merged note will look before finalizing the process. At the top of this window, you'll see the current note title. If you want to change it to something more descriptive, simply delete the existing title and rename it to whatever fits your needs. This step is optional, but it helps keep your notes organized with clear, meaningful titles. After you're satisfied with the title, navigate to the bottom right corner of the window. Here, you'll see a button labeled Merge Notes. Click on it to finalize the merging process. This action combines all your selected notes into one comprehensive note, preserving all the content from each individual note. And that's it. The newly merged note will now appear in the left panel, specifically at the top of your notes list, making it easy to find and access right away. You've successfully combined multiple notes into one organized document in Evernote. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.